These are the Sewell Strike banana plugs. Installation of these banana plugs is simplicity itself. All you have to do is strip away a bit of the wire and then unscrew the base a bit. Simply slide it in. I usually do it with a twisting motion till it hits the back of the barrel. Great. And then simply cinch it back down. And you, boys and girls, are done. I usually give it a tug to ensure, but that's it. I'll do the other one since I'm here. Unscrew the base. Slide it in with a twist till it hits the back of the barrel, and then screw the base back in. And that's it. These banana plugs accommodate wires between 10 to 18 gauge, so in most cases that'll be fine. They're 24 karat gold plated, corrosion resistance, that's all. And they cost about $40 for 14 sets of speakers. 14 pairs, 14 speakers. In other words, 28 overall. So that's more than enough for most people's home theaters. Done. See, they're small, no chance of anybody touching each other, and it makes a nice, neat installation.